Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Interactive Brokers. First, open your web browser and go to the Interactive Brokers website or launch the Trader Workstation application. Look for the Login button, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click it, then carefully enter your unique username and password into the provided fields. After double-checking your credentials, click the Login button to move forward. This initial step is quick and straightforward. After entering your username and password, you will encounter the two-factor authentication step. Interactive Brokers uses this crucial security measure to protect your account. You will receive a unique, time-sensitive security code, typically a 6-digit number, either through your registered mobile device via SMS or directly within the IB-Key mobile application. Simply enter this code into the designated field on your screen to verify your identity and complete the login process. This adds a vital layer of protection. Sometimes you might encounter issues logging in. First, double-check your username and password for any typos or incorrect capitalization. These are common mistakes. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable and reliable. If you're using a web browser, try clearing its cache and cookies, or switch to an alternative browser like Chrome or Firefox. If these steps don't resolve the problem, do not hesitate to contact Interactive Brokers customer support for personalized assistance. They are available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Maintaining strong account security is paramount. Always create a robust and unique password, ideally one that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing it across different platforms. Ensure your two-factor authentication is always active and consider updating your security methods periodically. Be extremely cautious of any unsolicited emails or links that claim to be from Interactive Brokers, as these could be phishing attempts. Finally, always remember to log out of your account after each session, particularly when using public or shared computers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.